making garlic bread spaghetti bowls. So I just got 2 large onions, and I put them in the bottom of a air fryer. Took some Johnsonville original brats, placed them on top, and in doing so, I was hoping the grease would help cook the onions. But this is the first time I used an air fryer, and they didn't turn out the greatest. Next, I was getting my garlic lemon butter on there. I don't recommend putting the lemon in the actual butter. Instead, I would take the garlic and butter and a little black pepper, cook it, and then wait till the last minute and drizzle the lemon on top. Next, I took some buns and cut out the insides, but we're going to save those insides because we're going to make some breadsticks with them. And it doesn't take too long to cook this. It probably only took a total of 30 minutes. I sped up the video. I was wanting to do like a slower tutorial, but I decided to speed up the video. Get some disposable pans and placed all my bread in the pan. Get it ready to go. I also cooked a few more, but they didn't fit all the way in the pan. Take some fresh tomato, cut out the centers, and cut them up real good. You can cut them up a lot smaller. It'd actually probably be better off if you did that. And also, I got some noodles cooking in the background, just some regular angel hair spaghetti noodle. And I take the garlic butter and rub it liberally on the bread. Slap in some tomatoes. And then I come over here and I got my brats, cut them up. Don't recommend you do this just grabbing it by hand. I use a fork. Pretty hot coming out of the air fryer. I think I cooked them for a total of about 15 minutes. Get the onions. They didn't caramelize the way I wanted them to, but I went ahead and mixed them up with the spaghetti noodles and just used a regular can of traditional spaghetti sauce. Placed in the bratwurst, and then I top it off with some onions, and then I put the spaghetti in there, and then I put a heavy amount of mozzarella cheese on there, throw it in the oven for about 15 minutes.